HTC C70 Koro MC1 XL size. Let's open and check it. Brand new, of course. So the bag look nice. So I like the carbon look on this one. It's not carbon, but I like the carbon paint like this. It looks nice. So the XL size weight 1.6 kilogram. ICC, of course. So C70 has the vent and the chain. You can lock the visor, unlock there. You have the double visor in the middle, so to put it on and off, you just press like that on top. Normally it's a bit on the side, so this one is on top, and you can just lock it here. You have the vent for the top. That's it. It's quite nice, good looking, red and white like this. C70. So the price is 7,000 pesos. Actually the price is 6,990 pesos. So 7k, you get a quality helmet. To lock it, it's just like this. Yeah, the foam look nice inside, very thick on this side, very nice. So yeah, brand new, of course. If you want, you can just message me on the page or message me on the comment section, and I'll tell you how to order it. You can pre-order the size. Let me know. Apart from KYT helmet, we also have TT dark visor, Vendetta dark visor. We also have motul gear oil for scooter, motul scooter oil, 3000 plus 10W40, and the 5100. We have Wipro anti-fogs, funnel and chain brush available. So you just have to check in the link in this description for Eclo by Manila on Facebook and just send us a message.